Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you need to empty your recycle bin on your OneDrive account, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's get into it. So I'm going ahead and I'm using Microsoft 365. This is the app that I use. I can access everything here from the Microsoft family. And on the left-hand side, you can see the OneDrive. Now, once you click on that, you will get this page. This is your OneDrive. And on the left-hand side, you'll see your recycle bin. Now, once you go into your recycle bin, you have a few options. So first of all, you can go over to the left of each one of your documents. You can select them. Okay, if you've got a ton, you can click down and you can actually drag over the documents and you can select them and delete them. You can also click right over here and this toggles the selection for all of the items within the row. Now, let's say you've got multiple pages. You can go up to the top right hand side. You can look for settings. From here, you can look for options. And at the top here, under your storage summary, we will have an empty recycle bin option. And you can click on that and it'll empty the recycle bin if you don't want to do all of that manually. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.